So the task number A1.5.2, it has a 3-4 subsection. We will complete all the subsection very quickly. So this is our GPS. You have to come to the GPS. Here in the GPS you will be having waypoint and route. You just have to click the waypoint and the route. This all the options is coming: on ship position, range and bearing, waypoint list and route planning. So we will go to the route planning. Now it is saying that calculate and make a route. So in the route planning you go, okay, we don't have the route now. Okay, you press 6. Okay, no waypoint data, that is why it is not coming. So we have to first insert the waypoint. Okay, waypoint list. So you go and make, you see all the positions are is coming here. Okay. Then for example I will show you how to edit only. Okay, waypoint number 1, for example you want 22 degree, 22 minute, 22 second. Okay, 22 degree, sorry, 222 is not possible, so we make it 1 2 degree. We east west you want change, okay, like this. Then you want to add to the comment waypoint number 1, waypoint number 2, you can add the comment. Okay, then it is okay. Now just press the enter. Okay, so position 1 waypoint is already inserted. Second waypoint you want to enter, you go to enter. Okay, here you write 211111 north, and like this. I'm just showing you the example. Okay, so 2 waypoint is already inserted. So in this way we can insert all the waypoint of our passage plan. Then we will go to the back. Okay, we will go back to the route. Now we come to the route planning, and you see now the route planning is come. Number 1 route, we want to go to number 1 route. Select your waypoint. You want to select 001, enter 002 waypoint. We have inserted 2 waypoint. Auto calculate, it will calculate auto, you see. So this is the route. Our number 1 route came, 1 waypoint, 2 waypoint, and this is all the distance, time to go, everything will be written. 628 miles is the distance between waypoint 1 and waypoint 2, and in this speed we will reach in 17 days. Okay, so this is how the route planning we are doing in the GPS. Very easy method. If you have some doubt, go to the manufacturer manual. For example, we have the Furuno make model, we have the manufacturer manual, operators manual from the Furuno. It will be there on board. If you have another type of a GPS, all the GPS has the same procedure almost, so that it is very easy for you to make the route planning, insert the waypoint, make the route planning, and everything you can do in the GPS. In the old times when there was no FDs, when we were using the paper chart, that time we were using the GPS as a mode of electronic navigation. So another task is we will complete all these tasks. There are 4 subsections. So we have calculate distance and create the route waypoint. It is already made. Create insert waypoint, that is also completed. Now the next is set limit and use of GPS alarm. Okay, so GPS alarms, we have different type of alarms on the GPS. We will go to the menu. Okay, here you see the system setting, alarm setting. Okay, this number 4 alarm setting, you go to number 4 alarm setting. Okay, so trip alarm, water temperature alarm, depth alarm, so like this, depth alarm, alarm mode, legacy, remote acknowledge. So in this way we can select all the alarms whatever you want to display. Okay, you want alarm to display, you want the alarm to be sounded, you can select all the alarm in the alarm setting of the GPS. The next is use the Rhumb Line and the great circle mode. So we have made the route in the EGDIS. We go to the route planning again. Okay, this is the route planning again. So we have make one route with 2 waypoints, 628 nautical miles. Okay, so they are telling we can select it is GC or it is Rhumb Line. Okay, we have the option, we can go and select the GPS. In the GPS, either we want to go to the great circle or we go to the Rhumb line. So okay, it is calculating auto, and when you go to the manual, you can select here the option will come after the route, and you go to the route edit and select the Rhumb line or the great circle. Okay, so in this way you can plan completely the route of the GPS. Thank you.